Let me take you to 2:16 in the morning on Sunday morning. And here's what occurred. We received a 911 call from a concerned citizen that said, hey, you've got somebody laying in the middle of the road here on the off-ramp to Highway 27 from Interstate 4. We're releasing his picture because the family said we could. This is Kevin Berry. He's our victim. He's 58 years of age. He's a truck driver. He's also a trainer. He was very proficient in what he did and was well thought of by his company. He was with a private contractor moving product for Amazon. He was on his way to work. It appears from our only witness that we found now, he was involved in a road rage incident. A witness said that as they exited off of Interstate 4, this is vehicles traveling east out of Orlando, onto the exit ramp to Highway 27, the witness said they saw our victim's white Dodge Ram 4x4, 2017 model, in a road rage incident with a dark-colored, compact two-door vehicle with a luggage rack on the top, possibly an older model vehicle. As a result of this road rage, our witness drove around them as now they're stopped in the road and left south on Highway 27. As our witness describes how the vehicles were parked at the time, that was not how the vehicles were parked on the ramp upon our arrival, so obviously there was more conflict after our witness vehicle left. We also know that there are at least 3 more vehicles that should have seen the road rage incident. Now, I can tell you right now, those other 3 folks, probably like this one witness we've discovered so far, had no idea there was a shooting. They probably drove around to get out of the way and leave. We need to talk to those 3 people and to anyone else who might have seen this possible road rage event just prior to 2:16 in the morning on Sunday morning. He is not dead yet, but there seems to be absolutely no chance of survival. He has a significant gunshot injury, and the hospital tells us his prognosis is at very best grim. So no, he's not legally deceased yet, but he will be. We need to find out who shot him and why. We need to know why a road rage incident ended up in the condition he's in right now. So at the end of the day, we know there are witnesses. We know that he came from Altamonte Springs. We know that he always showed up for work early. And today, that Sunday morning would have been no exception. We also know that he was known to be hot-headed if he were challenged. So according to friends, that if someone tried or started a road rage incident, he would push back. So at the end of the day, we've got to solve this case. We've got to find out who shot and killed Kevin Berry and why they shot and killed him. So at least 3 other vehicles saw part of the road rage. They probably had no idea that a shooting occurred. They may have been long gone by the time the shooting occurred, but we need to talk to them to see what they may know so we can solve this case.